Hello everyone, I am Vikas and my today's topic is goal setting. Let's begin. After listening the word goal setting, one question should come in your mind is what does goal mean? It means the aim or purpose or target of your life or what you want to become in your life is called goal. And if we start achieving that in a smart manner, then it called smart goal. Let's know more about SMART goal. In SMART goal, S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for realistic, and T stands for timely. For example, I will obtain a job as a high school math teacher within 3 months after graduating in science. Here you can see it is specific as the goal of becoming high school teacher is well defined. It can be measured also by the number of applicants and interviews. The goal setter can achieve his goal as he has appropriate degree in science. It seems to be real also in case the goal setter has to do hard work. As you see, the goal setter has deadline to achieve his goal. Overall, it is a SMART goal. Now it's time to write your SMART goal. You have to write your SMART goal as I have given in example. Remember, don't write long-term goal. After writing your goal, check that have you written SMART goal as per these points which I have written in chart. For example, you have to check is it specific? You can write what will you do using an action word. Same as it. Follow all the points which I have written in chart and take a screenshot of it. Follow these points as well while you are making a SMART goal. First point is give name to your goal. Second point is draw a picture or imagine your goal. Third point is write some potential obstacles which you might face while achieving your goal. And fourth point is don't forget to write some possible solution for it also. Now it's my time to show you about my SMART goal. This is my goal which I have made. I want to improve my job interview skills within 2 months. As you can see, I named it extraordinary goal. Here what I will do is well defined, means it is specific. It can be measured by the number of days and interviews. It can be achieved if I perform better in interview. It seems to be real also in case I have to do hard work. I have set deadline to complete my goal, means it is timely also. So with the power of persistence, you will definitely achieve your goal because you have made a SMART goal. Happy goal setting!